and welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Ishani and you are watching Weekly Highlights. Today's first news is, on 5th May, under the aegis of Ekal Abhiyan, Zone Umaria, a huge rally was organized against the terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. Through this rally, a memorandum was given to the Umaria District Collector to represent it to the President. During this, the Sambhag Upadhyaksh Mr. Mohan Dwivedi, Anchal Adhyaksh Mr. Ravindranath Mishra, Sachiv Mr. Brajbhan Singh, Anchal Upadhyaksh Mrs. Mamta Dwivedi, along with group heads of 12 groups, workers and committee members were present.
इस रैली के माध्यम से हम पहलगांव में हुए आतंकवादी घटना का विरोध.
Second news. Central India's two-day committee workshop concluded on 6th May at the RSS office Sudarshan Bhavan, Indore. The workshop was inaugurated on 5th May by lighting of lamp by the chief guest, Mrs. Shushma Chaudhary, Rashtriya Mahila Samiti Adhyaksh. Keynote speaker, Mr. Roop Singh Nagar, Malwa Prant RSS Karyakarni Sadasya, and Mr. Atul Gupta, Prabhag Yuva Prabhari. On this occasion, Mr. Sansar Chand shared the vision of Ekal Abhiyan, stating that the campaign is working towards making the nation prosperous. He emphasized that there must be strong coordination between the city organization, village organization, seva workers and acharyas to enhance the work done by Ekal. In this training session, Kendriya Sah Gram Sangathan Pramukh Mr. Raj Singh along with Atul Gupta and Sushma Chaudhary presented on various subject committees. The topics discussed in the SOC were urged to be implemented at the regional, block and village levels to reinforce the village organizations. Third news. A huge protest was held in Division Brajmandal Zone, Badayu, against the massacre of 26 innocent tourists by jihadi terrorists in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. In this, Jilla Sangathan Mantri Pankaj Singh Ji gave information about the terrorist activities going on in the country and the work done by Government of India to prevent them. After this, the event concluded with the committee and senior officials' presence. Fourth news. On 2nd May, in Moradabad zone of Division West Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Prem Asudani, Adhyaksh of Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation of India, who came from Delhi, and Dr. Dinesh Tyagi, and member of Ekal Gramothan Foundation, visited the GRC Center. After that, they visited Ekal Vidyalaya of the village Manota and Deeppur. In this program, Sambhag Pramukh Rajiv Ji, Division Head of Saharanpur Division, Mukesh Kumar Ji, and Zone Campaign Head Devendra Kumar Ji were present. Fifth news. Diplomas were distributed to the first batch of CTL and WEC of the IVD Center, Chakki Mode. A competition was held for children learning sewing and computing, in which prizes were given to those who came first, second and third. Diplomas were distributed to 39 children in CTL, while diplomas were distributed to 10 children learning in WEC. An online competition was also organized in which children participated enthusiastically and showed their talent. In this program, the chief guest, Minister of State with Status Mr. Geeta Ram Gaud, Member of Scheduled Tribes Commission Mr. Babu Singh Tomar, Sahaprabhari of Division Gram Swaraj Mr. Rakesh Singh, Zone Campaign Head of Udham Singh Nagar, Deep Singh and Acharyas were present. 6 news. On the occasion of the completion of 25 years of Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad, a felicitation ceremony was organized at Hotel City Park. The chief guest of the program was Kargil War's superhero, Paramveer Chakra winner, Captain Yogendra Yadav, who praised the work of Ekal and also paid tribute to the bravery of the Indian Armed Forces during the Kargil War.
मेरी बटालियन 18 कैनेडियर्स हमें सबसे पहले तोलोलिंग टॉप के ऊपर युद्ध लड़ने का मौका दिया. 22 दिन उस पहाड़ी पर हमने युद्ध लड़ा और 22 दिन के दौरान 2 ऑफिसर, 2 जूनियर कमीशन ऑफिसर और 21 जवानों को हमने खोया. तब जाकर के हिंदुस्तान की फौज ने 12 जून 1999 को पहली सफलता के रूप में वो तोलोलिंग टॉप पुनः प्राप्त किया.
BLSP Trust Board Chairman Lakshmi Narayan Goyal and S.K. Jindal were present in the program, while the stage was managed by Neeraj Raizada ji and Akhil Gupta ji. During this, the work and contribution of all 22 chapters were honoured in the form of awards. That's all for today. Keep watching Ekal Bharat.